Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the Can-Am Maverick R Max. We've just installed a bunch of accessories on this one. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. Let's start off on the front with that bumper from Can-Am. We've got some side shooter lighting on the bumper. We've got the Can-Am center hood light. We've got the Can-Am side view mirrors as well as the lights there on the sides. USA windshield made here in Utah. We've paired that up with the Can-Am wiper kit and washer fluid kit. That is a new thing we're doing here at Big Pine Sports. We've got the hood scoop on there. Anytime you're running that full windshield on there, we recommend having that hood scoop on. Lots of lighting, including the 5150 whips. We've also installed the SSS off-road skid plate. It completely covers the bottom of the machine and wraps up around the sides, giving you a bulletproof bottom. Very nice, very nice. We've also got the RYCO street legal kit on this vehicle. Down will be left, just like your car. Indicator lights on the dash. You've got those sweet signature lights flashing there. Even with all of the bright lighting, it's very visible. And then on the back side, while we're going back there, notice we tie them into the 5150 whips. Push on the brake lights, they go red, super cool. And with that RYCO kit, ties in all the LEDs in the back. Also provided a license plate backer as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. Very nice, very nice. It has been paired up with the Stage 5 audio kit from Can-Am. We've got the Can-Am back window installed on there as well. Very, very nice, super cool machine. Oh yeah, you do have the four-way hazards. Got that wiper going. You can see with the 5150s and the hazards. Such a fun build. These Maverick R's are incredible machines. No drive belt, dual clutch transmission, tons of power, 240 horsepower from Can-Am. Super good looks. Whether you're hitting the dunes, the deserts, the mountains, or Moab, this thing's got all the goods. It's gonna take really good care of you. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.